Welcome everyone. Today I will show you how to change the Schlage deadbolt and the lever knob. This is the new deadbolt. First we will unscrew the bolt inside of the deadbolt. So this is the bolt. Once you unscrew it, you can easily release, and the front portion of it comes automatically. So this is how it's getting latched to your door. Once you release both the interior and the exterior piece, just unscrew the latch piece. It's just very easy, very handy. All you need is a screwdriver to get this task done. Just pop it out, and this is the deadbolt piece. Now replace your new deadbolt. What you got? I got a Schlage from the Home Depot. So as a good practice, once you attach, just unscrew it a bit. Don't go full force. Leave it a bit room. As you can see, I did not tie it up too fast. And the new deadbolt, the exterior unit, I'm trying to mount it onto the slots. Before you tighten up, just run through it, kind of a testing, so that you can ensure it's working as expected. Now it's time to latch the interior unit. Now it works. So as I try to squeeze in the camera, you can see once I attach it, I'm trying to latch the bolt into its holders. I'm now able to fasten it up. So I'm going to screw it up now, both the screws, so that it stays at its place as expected. And now we are all good. So I'm going to full force with tightening up. Now I'm tightening up the side screws. Make sure all the bolts and the screws are all really fastened. We're all good.